The OnePlus 15 is one of the most interesting phones of the year, not because it tries to do everything perfectly, but because it picks a few things and does them better than almost anyone else. At the center of that focus is battery life. This phone is a true battery champion, but as impressive as it is, one issue holds it back from being the best option for everyone. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus 15 keeps things simple but premium. It has flat edges with a slight curve, making it comfortable to hold, and the aluminum frame with a ceramic-like back gives it a solid, expensive feel. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protects the front, so it can handle everyday wear without trouble. The matte back is an interesting choice. It picks up marks easily, but they wipe off just as fast, so the phone always looks clean. What really stands out is the IP rating. The OnePlus 15 carries IP66, IP68, and even IP69K, which means dust protection, water resistance, and even defense against high-pressure hot water jets. That's one of the highest durability setups on any smartphone. OnePlus also replaced its classic alert slider with the new Plus button. It works like Apple's Action button, letting you assign a function, but it's more limited and doesn't support custom apps. Still, it's a step toward a more modern shortcut system. The phone also includes stereo speakers, USB-C, and even an IR blaster, something we rarely see anymore, but incredibly useful if you want your phone to double as a universal remote. On the front, the OnePlus 15 has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a very fast 165 Hz refresh rate. It's crisp, extremely smooth, and bright enough to be clearly visible outdoors, reaching up to 6,000 nits in HDR. The bezels are thin, the colors look vibrant, and the ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the screen is fast and reliable. Performance is also top tier thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. With up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the phone handles everything smoothly, everyday tasks, gaming, multitasking, you name it. OnePlus added a vapor chamber cooling system optimized for gaming, and while the phone does get warm under heavy load, it never becomes uncomfortable or unstable. But nothing defines this phone more than its battery. With one of the largest batteries on a flagship phone, the OnePlus 15 consistently delivers 2 days of real-world use. For many people, this alone makes the phone worth buying. There's something freeing about forgetting your charger at home and not worrying. Charging is fast too, 120 Ws on the global model and 80 Ws in the US. Wireless charging reaches 50 W, although the lack of Qi2 magnetic support feels like a missed opportunity. Unfortunately, the camera is where things start to fall apart. The OnePlus 15 has a triple 50-megapixel setup, the main camera, an ultra-wide, and a 3x telephoto lens. On paper, it sounds solid, but in practice it's inconsistent. In good lighting, photos look fine, sometimes even impressive. But low-light shots struggle with blur and flat colors. Compared to rivals like the Pixel 10 Pro or Galaxy S25 Ultra, the OnePlus 15 simply can't compete. And for many people, the camera is one of the most important parts of a smartphone. Software is handled by Oxygen OS 16. It's clean, smooth, and organized, with a set of AI tools for writing, searching, and organizing information. The biggest addition is MindSpace, a kind of AI-powered organizer meant to work with the new Plus button. Some people will find it useful, others probably won't. OnePlus promises 4 years of major updates and 6 years of security patches. Good, but not quite on the same level as Google's 7-year update promise. So where does that leave the OnePlus 15? It's not the best phone for everyone, but it is the best phone in its price range for people who don't care much about photography. If what you want is outstanding battery life, strong performance, a great display, durable hardware, and clean software, the OnePlus 15 delivers all of that. You just have to accept the trade-off, a camera that's good enough, but not great. If your priorities lean toward battery and performance more than camera quality, then yes, the OnePlus 15 is absolutely worth buying.